Good evening. Namaste.
Good evening, sir. Namaste, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
We will continue today again with the same topic that we were doing earlier.
Okay, sir.
We did question number 5 last, right? Question number 6 was remaining. We were doing question number 6 in the last.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Can you see this question?
Sir. I can see.
Okay. So let us create the equation in this one. A number consists of 2 digits. So there is a number. What is this? Number.
Number.
And there is another number. There is another number. Did you notice? Whose digits are reversed. Another number.
Yes, sir.
Another number. This question is talking about 2 numbers.
Yes, sir.
First number original one and second number when the digits are reversed. For example, if the first number is 27, the other number should be what?
72.
Yes. Reversing the digits will make another number. This is how question is talking about 2 numbers. So let us first find out first number. What is the first number? We don't know. And that's why we also don't know what is the other number. So let us find out first number. Question is giving us some clues. We have some clues. We are now detectives. What we are? We are detectives.
Detectives.
Yes, spies. You know a spy? What is spy? Same as
Yes,
detective.
sir. The spy on.
Detective and a spy are similar, right? So we are
Yes,
detective.
sir.
If we get some clues, we can catch the criminal. We can catch the thief. So we have some clues, and this is the thief. This is the criminal. We have to catch. What is the clue? Clue is that there are 2 digits in the number. 2 digits. Okay? Means ones place and tens place, right? This number has 2
Yes, sir.
digits. So one is ones place and the other is tens place. And question says the sum is 9. Ones place and tens place will make 9. So this is the clue. Let us use this clue. If we use this clue, let us do one thing. Let us assume ones place to be x. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Let us assume
Okay,
ones
sir.
place to be x. And we don't know tens place. What do you think tens place will be then?
No, 9, sir.
9 minus x. Use some brain also. You are detective. If you cannot use that much brain, how can you be detective? If ones
yes,
place
yes,
is
equal to
x,
the
then the
others.
tens place is 9 minus x. Isn't that?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
that? So we get ones place
Yes, sir.
x. We get ones place x and tens place 9 minus x. Okay, we have used first clue and we have another clue here. If we add 27, if we subtract 27 from the original number, the other number will be found. But the problem is we don't know the first number. What is the first number? How to find that first number? Yesterday I taught you. You are not replying means you are not taking it seriously. If the number is 328, how do you write the number? 3 times 100, because 3 is at hundreds place, 2 is at tens place, so 2 is multiplied with 10 and 8 is multiplied with 1, because it is ones place. So we multiply the place values, we take the place values and add them. This is how numbers are created. In our question, we have two digits, ones and tens. Ones place is x, so x will be multiplied with 1, and 9 minus x is tens place, so 9 minus x will be multiplied with 10. 9 minus x into 10, x into 1, but no need to multiply with 1 because it will not make any change. Let us remove and add them just like that. This is the new number. We got the number. If you are detective, you should know these things. If you are a detective, you should know these things. If you don't know these things, you cannot become a detective. If clues are given, you should be able to use them. So now let us simplify what number it is. 10 into 9, 90. 10 into minus x, minus 10x, and then plus x. Okay, so this is the number. I know this is not looking like a number, but we are creating algebraic expression which is representing the number. Now we can combine these two. What is this? What is this?
Minus 9x, sir. Minus 9x.
Yes, you said minus 9x, that's right. So 90 minus 9x is the number. What is the number? 90 minus 9x. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And can you guess what will be the other number? Can you guess what is the other number? Can you guess what is the other number? No? If you want to be a detective, you need to use all the clues. Clues are given. You are not using. Ones and tens place are known to us. If we interchange, tens place will come at ones place. Ones place becomes 9 minus x and ones place becomes x. We interchange the digits. Ones place 9 minus x. So now 9 minus x will be multiplied with 1, and tens place, this is tens place. Tens place x, so x is multiplied with 10 and then added together. But 1 is not required here, no need to multiply 1. Just add. So this is the new number. You did not use the clue. Now we have to simplify. 10x plus 9 minus x. First term and last term are the like terms, 10x minus x. What is that?
9x.
9x plus 9 is the new number. Old number, original number is 90 minus 9x. New number is this. But still we don't have equation. We have to use some other clue to create the equation. Try. How can we create the equation then? How can we create the equation? How can we create the equation?
One second.
Clues are given there. In the question, clues are given. It is telling clearly, if you subtract 27 from the original number, the new number will form. Okay. Question is clearly telling original number minus 27 subtracted from the number. The number means original number. Its digits are reversed. So the new number is equal to that. Means this. You did not use this clue. Original number means 90 minus 9x. This is the original number. Minus 27 and the new number 9x plus 9 comes on the other side. Equation is set up. Equation set up.
Okay, sir.
We have created original number, we have created new number, and we put the condition. Condition is given. 27 will be subtracted from original number, new number will come. Now it is the equation, we will solve it to find the value of x. Do you think you can solve it to find the value of x? Take 2 minutes and solve it. Tell me what is the value of x. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Solve it. Maximum 2 minutes, not more than that. Did you solve?
Sir,
No, sir.
Okay. Now see. On the left side, we have like terms 90 and minus 27. So 90 minus 27 can be done here. What is 90 minus 27?
63. Sir, it is 63.
63 minus 9x. On the other side, 9x plus 9. Now let us take x terms on the same side. So minus x term I will take to the right side, and I will take plus 9 to the left side. So 63 and 9 will come with minus sign. 63 minus 9 is equal to 9x and plus 9x. So it is 18x equal to how much? 54, right? 18x is equal to 54. So x equals 3. X equals 3. It took much time to solve it. X equals 3. Question is telling find the number. The number means which number? New number or original number? The number means which one?
Sir, the original number.
The number means original number. So, therefore, the number. How will you find the number? Here is the original number 90 minus 9x, where x means 3. So, let us substitute 90 minus 9 into 3. 90 minus 9 into 3. So 90 minus 27. How much is it? How much is it?
Sir, 63.
63? Sure.
Yes, sir.
Done. We got the original number 63. Now, if you want to check if the answer is correct or not, how to check? Very simple method. See, our number we have got 63. Let us check if all the conditions are fulfilled. First condition was that the sum of two digits is 9. Check it. 6 and 3 add up to 9. First condition is fulfilled. Second condition is telling if you subtract 27, the new number will come. Okay, let us subtract 27 from 63. What is that? 36, right?
Yes, sir.
See, digits reversed. So all the conditions fulfilled. We have checked our answer. Our original number is 63. If you subtract 27, 36 comes, means reverse. 63, 36. And the sum of two digits is 9, 6 plus 3. So all the conditions fulfilled, means our answer is correct. Any question?
No, sir.
Okay, let us move on to the next. It was question number 6. Now we will do question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. Read the word problem, set up the equation. Read the word problem and set up the equation. Divide 184 into two parts. Divide 184 into two parts. 184 will be divided in two parts, such that condition is there, such that 1/3 of one part means for one part, if you make 1/3, then what will happen? It may exceed 1/7 of another, 1/7 of another by 8. Means the first part where you have made 1/3 will be bigger, and 1/7 of the second part will be smaller, but how much smaller? 8. So if you subtract bigger minus a smaller, you will get 8. Understood the condition or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now think, what are the two parts? So you got all the clues. Now be a detective, solve, find out the two parts. Very good puzzle, right? Very interesting puzzle. 184 will be divided in two parts, such that one of them will be 1/3, other will be 1/7, and the one you have made 1/3 is bigger, and the other one where you have made 1/7 is smaller, and if you subtract, difference is 8. Question is telling another part exceeds by 8. Exceed means being bigger. So this is bigger by 8. Think what can be the numbers, parts. Any idea?
Sir, I have made the equation.
Say again.
Sir, I have set up an equation.
What are the two parts? What are the two parts?
X. Sir, the first one is X and second one is 184 minus X.
Yes, that's correct. Because the sum is 184. If one of them is X, then the other one should be total minus first. 184 minus X. So simple. So our equation is done. Our equation is ready here. The equation is ready. But yes, we have to write it. Write it here in this way. Let the first part equals X. So the second part equals 184 minus X. According to question, you made X as 1/3. If you make X as 1/3, that becomes X into 1 by 3. So X by 3. And then other part 184 minus X into 1. So 184 minus X in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. Now if you subtract, the sum difference is 8. Correct?
Yes.
Good. Now this is the equation. We have set up the equation. Equation is ready. And now we need to solve it. So first set up the equation, then solve it. Setting up the equation is your first task. If you do the first task, then you move on to the second task. First task is done, equation is set up. Now the second task is to solve. I think solving is easier, right? Solving is easier. If equation is set up, then many students can solve it. But setting up the equation is a big challenge. This is what you need to learn. Okay, now take some time and try to solve it. Take a few seconds. I'll wait for you.
Sir, I'm done.
What's the answer? What is the value of x?
Sir, 729 by 10.
729 by 10.
Yes.
Okay. So the answer is in decimal, right? 72.9.
Yes.
Okay. Well, see, in this equation we have denominator. We have denominator, and I have taught how to remove denominators. Do you remember? I have taught how to remove denominators.
Yes, sir. By taking their LCMs and multiplying them.
So take the LCM of all the denominators, 3, 7, and here is nothing in denominator, means 1. 3, 7, 1. Take the LCM of 3, 7, 1. What do you get? What is the LCM of 3, 7, 1?
Sir, 21.
21. Okay. So we will multiply the whole equation with 21. How to multiply? How to multiply? See, every term will be multiplied with 21. This is how we multiply. How to multiply? Multiply 21 with first term, second term, third term, means all the terms separately. X by 3, 184 minus x by 7 and 8 on the other side, and we have decided to multiply 21. See how to multiply. In the first term, done. In the second term, done. In the last term, done. And this minus sign here. Now see if cancellation is possible. Yes, in this one, 21 in numerator, 3 in denominator. Can we cancel out? 3 7 ja. And the second one, 21 in numerator, 7 in denominator. 7 3 ja. Now on the other side, 21 into 8. Okay. 7 into x is the first term, minus sign, 3 into this. Notice it is binomial, 2 terms. So don't forget to put a bracket. Remember, if it is a single term, then no worries, no need to take bracket. But if 2 terms or more than 2 terms, then bracket is necessary, don't forget. 184 minus x. On the other side, 21 into 8 is how much? 168. And see, all the denominators gone. We don't have denominators now. Okay, now open the bracket, 7x, and be careful, you are opening the bracket and it is a minus sign before bracket. So the sign will change. Be special attentive when you are multiplying. Negative sign inside. Minus 3 into 184. How much? 3 4s are 12. 1 carries. 3 8s are 24 and 1 25. 5 comes. 2 carries. 3 1s are 3 and 2 5. 552. Correct? Now minus 3 into minus x. It is minus into minus plus 3 into x, 3x. On the right side 168. Now we have 7x in plus 3x. They are like terms, so we have to add 7x plus 3x is 10x. x and that is equal to how much? 168, and 552 is negative there. It will come here to be positive. It will be added 168 and 552. So how much is it? 8 plus 2 10, 1 carries, 6 plus 1 7 and 5, 7 plus 5 12, 2 comes, 1 carries again, 1 plus 1 2 and 5 7, it's 720. So x is 72. X is 72, not in decimal, it's a whole number. We got the value of x. That means the first part is 72. First part is x, that means 72. And what is the second part? 184 minus 72. How much is it? How much is it? 2 and 112, right? Correct?
Yes.
Therefore, first part is equal to 72 and second part is 112. Done. Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let us move to the next question. It was question number 7. Question number 8. This question is based on fraction. So notice we are getting questions on daily life situations. Sometimes the question is on 2-digit number. Sometimes we have to divide a number in 2 parts, like 184 in 2 parts. And this time the question is on fraction. It is related to fraction. The numerator of a fraction is 6 less than denominator. Okay, I will give you some time to set up the equation. I'll wait for 1 minute. You have to set up the equation. Tell me your equation. Take some time. I'm waiting for you.
Sir, x plus 3 by x plus 6 is equal to 2 by 3.
Just a moment, wait. Okay, you set up the equation. Tell me what is your equation.
Sir, x plus 3 by x plus 6
equal to 2 by 3.
Equal to what?
Sir, 2 by 3.
2
Sir,
by
2
3.
by 3.
Okay. Check it. Have I written correctly?
Yes.
Okay. It is correct. Correct equation. Okay. Now let me explain how to do it. It is talking about fraction. Fraction means something in numerator, something in denominator. And question says numerator is 6 less than denominator. Denominator and this is 6 less. So if you write x in denominator, you will write x minus 6 in numerator because numerator is 6 less. Correct? If we assume denominator equals x, then how much should be numerator? 6 less
Sir, x
minus 6. And there is another choice also. Suppose you take numerator as x. Suppose you take numerator as x, then how much is denominator? X plus 6. Because numerator is 6 less, so denominator is 6 more. Isn't that? If numerator is 6 less, then denominator is 6 more. So you can take this way or you can take this way. Both are same. Both are same. It is your choice. Okay, so you have taken x plus 6 in denominator and x in numerator, right?
Yes.
Okay, it is your choice, no problem. I continue with the first one. I continue with the first one. I take denominator x and numerator x minus 6 because it is 6 less. So this is the fraction. This is the fraction. Now what question says further? It says if 3 is added where? To the numerator. If 3 is added to the numerator, what will happen? If 3 is added to the numerator, then the fraction becomes equal to what? 2 by 3. Done. Equation is set up. If you simplify, you will get here it is 3 minus 6, which is what? 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So x minus 3 by x is equal to 2 by 3. Now cross multiply. You know cross multiply? I have taught cross multiply. 3 into x minus 3
Yes.
and x into 2, that is 2x. So 3x minus 9 equal to 2x. Let us take 2x on the left side and 9 to the right side. So 3x minus 2x equal to 9. So we get x is equal to 9. What was x? X was denominator. So we get denominator here 9. And then what is numerator? Let us find fraction directly. It is telling what is the original fraction. Original fraction was this, x minus 6 by x. x minus 6 by x. X value is 9, so write 9 minus 6 by 9 means what? 3 by 9 means 1 by 3. Answer. Any question?
No, sir.
Next question is 9. Next is question number 9. Let us solve it. First, equation setup, right? So take some time to set up the equation. I will wait for a moment. Set up the equation and tell me.
Ten x plus 20
Yes,
into brackets
yes.
50 minus x is equal to 800.
Okay, that's correct.
That's correct, sir.
Yes, that's correct. So question is telling total you have 800 rupees. You have total 800 rupees, but this is not a single note. 800 rupees is not a single note, not 100 rupee notes. You have some 10 rupee notes, some 20 rupee notes, and the total sum is 800. Some notes are 10 rupee notes, some are 20 rupee notes, but we don't know how many 10 rupee notes and how many 20 rupee notes are there. Total is 800, that we know, but how many notes are 10 rupees, how many notes are 20 rupees, we don't know. Okay, question is telling the total notes are 50. There are 50 notes total. Okay, two types of notes we have. First type note, second type note. 10 rupee notes, 20 rupee notes, and total notes 50 rupees, right? So we can do one thing. Let us assume 10 rupee notes to be x. Let us assume 10 rupee notes to be x. Then how many notes are of 20 rupees? If 10 rupee notes is x, then how many notes are 20 rupees?
So 50
So
minus
easy, 50 minus x. We are using the same idea again and again. You are not able to answer. Total minus first is second. So easy. Okay. So let's make our assumption. Let number of 10 rupee notes is equal to x and number of 20 rupee notes to be 50 minus x. Okay. Okay, now tell me, if you have 10 rupee notes, 10 rupee 5 notes, how much money it will be? If you have 10 rupee notes 5, how much it will make? You will multiply, right? Yes, you will multiply 10 into 5. Similarly, you have 10 rupee notes, how many? X. So you will multiply for the total money. Total money is 10 into x. 10 into x. Similarly, you have 20 rupee notes, how many? 50 minus x. You will multiply them for the total money. 20 multiplies with 50 minus x. And this total money should be added together to make the whole money. Whole money is 800. Our equation is set up. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to solve it, and it is done. So I am not going to solve it. I think you can do it yourself. Solve it yourself. Solve it yourself. Okay, now let's move to the next. Next is question number 10. Is this visible?
Yes.
Sita Devi has rupees 9 in 50 paise and 25 paise coins, means total is 9 rupees. This is similar to the previous question. 9 rupees total. But how is that 9 rupees? Some 50 paise coin and some 25 paise coin, and total money becomes 9. But we don't know how many 50 paise coins, how many 25 paise coins. So take some time to set up the equation. I'll wait for you.
Twenty-five x plus 50y is equal 900.
Your voice is very low, David.
What's that?
So my equation is 25 bracket 2x plus is equal to 900.
Okay, question says she has twice as many 25 paise coins as she has 50 paise coins. That means let number of 25 paise coins, how much? Let us take it x. So number of 50 paise coins, how much? How many coins? 50 paise coins?
Sir, 2x.
Yes, twice. Twice means 2 times. Okay. Now tell me, if you have 25 paise coins, 10, how will you calculate how much money they are making? You have 10 coins of 25 paise each. How much money will they make?
Sir, 2 rupees 50 paise.
Hmm?
Sir, 2 rupees 50 paise.
How will you do it? How did you do it?
Sir, we will make 25 paise to 0.25 and then we will multiply.
See, we have 9 rupees total, and here we have paise, rupees and paise. Notice, in the same question, for the same quantity, if you have 2 different units, that's a problem. For the same quantity, 2 different units are used, that's a problem. For money, we have 2 units in this question, rupees and paise. That's a problem. So either make all of them as rupees, that is okay, or make all of them into paise, that is also okay, but different units is not okay. Make them into same units, either rupees or paise. What is better? I will make it into paise.
Sir, paise is better.
Let's make it paise. So 25 paise, 10 coins, you will multiply, right? 25 into 10, correct? So we have 25 paise coins. How many? X. We will multiply 25 into x. How much total money? 25 into x. Similarly, if you have 50 paise coins, how many coins? 2. 50 paise, 2 coins. How much money they will make? How much money they will make?
Sir, 100 paise.
50 into 2 means 100 paise. So you multiply for the total money. Here also 50 paise, 2x coins, multiply 50 into 2x. 50 into 2x. So total money 50 paise and total money for 25 paise. Add them for the whole money. Whole money is equal to what? Equal to what? Whole money is 900 paise. Yes, because we have made everything into paise. So this is paise, this is paise. Right side also should be paise, not rupees. If you write 9 rupees there, then it is wrong. So I will write 900 paise. 9 rupees means 900. So I will write 900. I will not write 9. Okay, equation is set up. Now it is to solve. If you solve it, you will get the value of x. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this was question number 10. But there are so many problems after this also. Number 11, number 12, 13, 14, many other questions in the exercise. I will send this to your homework? Do you think you can try them?
Yes, sir.
If you don't solve questions yourself, you will not learn. If you want to learn, you have to solve it yourself. If I will solve all the questions, you cannot learn. Well, so we stop here only. Our class has reached to the end of the end point. Okay, now bye bye. See you in the next class.
Bye, sir.
Do sufficient
Bye.
practice. I will send the homework.